Hey Nippon travelers, we're in Kappabashi, Tokyo's kitchen town. It's a short walk from Asakusa and a great place to come for an afternoon stroll. There's a lot to see in Kappabashi. There's like 170 shops, fake food, kitchenware, and restaurant supplies. Let's go check a few out, shall we? How about here? One of the big draws of Kappabashi is the display food that can often be found outside of restaurants. There's so many different kinds, from cake to ramen, and they look just as appetizing as the real thing. This store is Sato Food Samples. Check it out and grab a souvenir. There's also this place, Ganso Shoku in Sampoya, which also has some amazing things to see and to buy. So you may be wondering what Kappabashi means. Well, bashi in Japanese means bridge, and Kappa is one of these guys. He's a Japanese demon. He's green, humanoid, has a beak, a turtle shell, and a hole in his head where he stores water. He's got a bit of a sketchy reputation, so if you meet one, you may not be in for such a great time. They're known for fighting people in rivers, eating their liver, and sucking their soul out of their anus. Ooh. And right on the doorstep to Asakusa as well. So when you kind of get frustrated by the crowds, you can come here and it's much more relaxing. Next, let's take a look at the kitchenware. There's modern ware, but also a lot of traditional stuff too. Just look at all this great stuff. You should come check out the back streets as well. There's other shops down here, and a lot of these are very old and traditional, like this gem here. So come, take a look, and help out a small business. And a postman. Do you remember these from our Bokksu episode? You can get them in the box. We're gonna leave you some links there. Check out that episode again. You can get some great Japanese snacks delivered to you straight to your door wherever you live. We just found this great knife shop called Koshi no Ito. The guy in there was really helpful, and he allowed us to take out all the knives from the casing to get like really nice shots of them, and he explained what they were made of, like Damascus and copper, and they were really beautiful. You can get some pretty unique souvenirs around here, and I know the Japanese knives are very popular, but we do recommend please check out how you export them home first before you buy them. The shops here do really sell a little bit of everything for restaurants. There's signs and decorations. You can even get the ticket machines that you get in like Yoshinoya. There's also cutlery, woks, even gas stoves. We saw a pizza oven as well. Okay, so I've got my plates, mission accomplished. So thank you for joining me on this tour of Kappabashi. Please check out Nippon Traveler's other videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sayonara.